Okay, let's review Bulova Ladies watch. And I bought them discounted from Amazon for $320, which normally they would cost $420, $450. So first of all, it's like right away confused me. See, this is not connected. Should be connected. Warning, it contains coin battery. No, it should be mechanical. I didn't bought electric. Warranty, blah blah blah. Nice. Okay, box is nice, but the box is nice. Pillow is nice. Hold on, something off here. Look at that. This is clearly. This is dirty. This is used watch. Maybe not used, but maybe returned. Look at that. This is dirty. Come on, guys. This is dirty. So it's open heart or open. How it's called? You can see through. Yeah, it's mechanical automatic watch, no battery in them. And this is ladies' watch. By the way, they don't have luminescence. They have this kind of like a diamond. Actually, very sparkly on the sun. Let's see if it sparkles. Okay, it does change. Could I wind them? I can wind them. I mean, look at that. It's nice. Could I remove this? Could I remove this? So you can see it better. I don't know what mechanism in it. Bulova. Hard to see the numbers and stuff like that. Water resistant. Anyways, it looks nice. And look at this kind of a flower, white flower. It's actually why I bought this watch. This is spirals, like back in the days I wrote a program as like a spirograph, and I decided to show it on the screen. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? So that's a spiral. That's a mathematical, see this white one, pearl one, mathematical image. Awesome. And look at that. I mean, obviously my arm is not lady's arm, but watch looks pretty nice. So it could be a good example of present for your wife, or for your lady, for your girlfriend, girl, daughter. Could be nice. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.